In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel open orders on Coinbase. If you've placed a trade and changed your mind or your strategy has shifted, canceling an open order is quick and straightforward. An open order simply means it hasn't been filled yet, so it's still waiting in the order book. Start by signing in to your Coinbase account. Once you're in, head to the Advanced Trade dashboard. This is where you can view detailed charts, order books, and most importantly for today, your live orders. On the Advanced Trade screen, look for the Open Orders panel. You'll usually find it just below the price chart. This panel lists every order you've placed that hasn't been filled, including the trading pair, order type, price, amount, and status. By the way, if you need Coinbase, I've placed a link to the website and a download link for the app right at the top of the description to make this easy to access. Next, identify the specific order you want to cancel. Double-check the pair and price to make sure you're selecting the correct one. When you're ready, click Cancel next to that order. If you want to clear everything at once, you can choose Cancel All in the top right corner of the Open Orders panel. Use this option carefully, since it will attempt to cancel every active order you have in that list. After choosing your action, confirm the cancellation when prompted. This confirmation helps prevent accidental clicks. A few key things to understand about canceling. You can only cancel orders that are still marked as open. If a market order has already executed, or if a limit order has fully filled, it's final and can't be reversed. When you cancel a limit order, the funds that were reserved for that trade are immediately released back to your available balance, so you can use them for another trade or withdraw as needed. If your limit order was partially filled, you can only cancel the remaining unfilled portion. The filled part is complete and cannot be undone. And good news on costs. There are no fees for canceling unfilled orders. That's all there is to it. Sign in, go to Advanced Trade, open the Open Orders panel, pick the order you want, cancel it and confirm. Or, if you're clearing the deck, use Cancel All. Keep those key points in mind, and you'll manage your orders confidently and avoid unwanted fills. Thanks for watching.